Bandit Early Bird NBA Special for Wednesday, November 9th. Check out Bandit's Early Bird College Basketball, Early Bird NHL, Early Bird Late Night Special College Basketball, and Late Night NHL Special, NBA Late Night. Start your day with a winner with Bandit's Early Bird NBA Special. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, support the channel. It's good karma for you. Bandits Early Bird NBA Special, Dallas versus Orlando. Money Bandit playing Dallas versus Orlando, over 214 points. Bandits NBA Early Bird Special, over 214 points. Dallas versus Orlando. Money Bandit, king of the 1 minute videos. Making you money 100% free. Money Maker out. Choo choo, choo choo. Money train is rolling. Next stop, Moneyville. Money Maker out. Subscribe, support the channel. It's good karma for you.